In this video, you're going to learn how to do Facebook affiliate marketing, how to get more leads and more sales, make your affiliate campaigns go viral, who this is going to be good for, and how simple this is. All next up on this new video with Wealth with Rob. What's up, guys? If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can get all these videos on how to make money online in different ways. Today, we're talking about affiliate marketing, making your campaigns go viral so that you can get more leads and more sales. This is absolutely insane. This is called Power Lead Generator. This is a system that is built for WordPress that will make people share your content for you in order to get you more leads and more sales quickly. Now, the reason I'm so excited about this is if you know about ClickFunnels, you're going to absolutely love this. It's not going to come with the same price tag. There's no monthly fees. It's a one-time price. Plus, it helps you create full funnels in under 10 minutes. And if you're a dummy like me, it's super easy. The cool part is really any kind of online marketer can use it, whether you're an email marketer, an affiliate marketer, MLM type of person. Even offline businesses can use this to generate leads and sales. So if you're in the offline market and you're doing business with local companies, this is something that you can absolutely use as a service. Now, Michelle and Matija have teamed up to put together a really cool software for WordPress. It's a really cool theme and plugin that allows you within just a few clicks to increase your leads and sales, and on top of it, connect 3 separate autoresponders to collect leads in multiple autoresponder systems. This has never been seen before. Plus, you can make other people do your work for you. Now, the power behind this system is absolutely insane. It's got a force share feature. So when your leads go ahead and opt in to receive the free gift, they are enabled to get another free gift, but in order to do so, they've got to share it. The thank you pages are amazing. It's got done for you thank you videos using professional actors. Here are just a couple examples of the people that you'll see on the thank you page. Now, this installs just like any other plugin, so it's super easy to do. And when you upload the 30 done-for-you funnels that they provide for you, this is what it looks like. Now, once the plugin is installed, this is what the back end will look like when you create a new page. It's going to have an opt-in page with all the settings. You can change the background, change the color, add different calls to action. You can actually display credit card images or display a timer. My kids are insane. They won't be quiet. You guys are crazy. I'm shooting a video here. Here's where you'll be able to edit the title of your opt-in page. Now, here's where the magic happens, okay? This is where you're going to be able to connect more than one autoresponder, up to 3. It's a simple process. He's going to show you exactly step by step in just a few minutes of a video. This is just going to help you diversify your assets. Are your kids this crazy? Because mine are. Here's where you get to pick the video presenter that presents themselves on your thank you page. Here you can change the settings of your thank you page, the text that's found on it, the sub-headline, and so much more. And then, of course, your social image that shares when you get somebody to share it on their Facebook channel, and so much more. This is absolutely simple to use. Now, just like any other opt-in page, they're going to be met with a nice little headline along with a call to action button. This is what it looks like. And when they click on it, they're going to be asked for their name and email address for you to collect the lead. Now, this is the page that will be on the thank you side. Again, also editable. You can change the colors. You can change the wording. You can change the progress bar. Now, here's an example of one of the thank you videos that they're met with.
Now, we now understand that you're looking for a system which has the potential of multiplying...
Pretty cool, right? And now you have all these additional call to action buttons here, like grab your free bonus. This is going to provide them with the gift that you already offered them. This will bring them to whatever URL you've designated, whether that's like a Google Drive, another separate link that you've built for that bonus. Now, if they click on this, this is also going to be another gift that you're enabled for them to go to. You can add all of these additional call to actions. Now, if they want an additional gift, they can go ahead and click on it, and guess what? It's going to go ahead and share it on their Facebook profile. I selected just about any photo here, and description is based on whatever you title it inside. But as you can see, when they're met with it, if they want that extra free gift, they're going to have to go ahead and click that share button. Absolutely cool, right? Now, if they want to go ahead and get that free gift, they click on here, but it must be upon completion of sharing. How cool is that? Now, you're getting the people who are in your audience to do your work for you. Now, if you've been considering getting ClickFunnels or you're already part of the cult, you're paying too much money for their funnels. I mean, look at this, $97 a month, and you get to only build 20 funnels per month. That is absolutely insane. If you want to build unlimited funnels, you've got to pay $300 per month. Not to mention, if you're going to pay yearly, you're looking at about $1,000 right out the pocket every single year. Now, with Power Lead Generator, you're going to pay one price depending on your needs for life. This is one of the most exciting things about it, okay? For a single website, you're looking at $297, and you'll never have to pay again. If you want some additional domains, you're looking at $497. Absolutely a bargain. And guess what? If you want unlimited domains so that you can do this for clients, so that you can do this for offline businesses, online businesses, build your own online kind of business with it, you're looking at only $997 one time. Now, this is only going to be available for a limited amount of time, so you need to pick it up right now. So if you want to start seeing more leads, more sales, where other people are doing the work for you, you need to pick up Power Lead Generator right now. I'm going to choke you! My kids are insane. Hey, so go ahead and pick it up right now by clicking the link in the description below. Also, subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates on all different ways to make money online. Until next time, take it easy, guys. This is Rob Reese with Wealth with Rob.